Well, folks, it's time to put on that pizza hat. Grab yourself a frozen store-bought pizza. It's pizza pizzazz time. Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah!
My pizza is gonna be inspired by a French dip sandwich. My sauce is gonna be an onion dip. You know, sour cream mixed with dry onion soup mix. Just mix it together. Add that sauce to the pizza and spread it out. Top that with some roast beef. Next, adding some Swiss cheese. And let's cook it up in the oven for about 20 minutes. Let's cook up some au jus. Ooh la la, now that looks good. French dip pizza. Let's give it a try. I got my dip as well, but let's just try it without the dip. Absolutely marvelous. Dip it in. Perfection. I love pizza pizzazz. You can do it too. I burnt my Hawaiian pizza the other day. I should have cooked it on aloha temperature.